This 2021 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 303 QBCK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 35 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 9, leveling jacks, slide-out, TV, air conditioning, oven, spare tire kit, DVD player, stovetop burner, LP detector, water heater, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 303 QBCK is 7,127 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.